Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the exact Google account you used to report the video. This makes tracking easier. Once signed in, open your inbox and look for a confirmation message or note down the video URL and exact timestamps. Prepare supporting materials, screenshots, the phrasing you used for the report, and any case ID. These details matter because YouTube staff need precise references to identify and evaluate your request to retract or amend a report. Next, go to YouTube Help and choose Send Feedback, or, if eligible, contact us through Creator Support. You do this because there isn't a direct Cancel Report button. In the form, select the closest category, paste the video URL, provide exact timestamps, and include the original report text. Attach your screenshots and clearly state you want to withdraw or correct the previous report, explaining why. This gives moderators the context they need to locate and reconsider the prior submission. Finally, submit the form and keep any confirmation number or email. That helps you follow up. Make sure to monitor the account email and respond quickly if YouTube asks for clarification, because timely replies speed resolution. If you don't get a reply within a reasonable window, escalate. Use Creator Support if you have access, or reach out publicly to Team YouTube on social platforms while referencing your confirmation. If things break down, give timestamps and clear evidence when you follow up.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.